as well, guys.
Like the fire needs the air, I won't burn unless you're there, you're there.
Alright guys, so I didn't get to film much of the GTR, so this is our new to me GTR. Me and my brothers, we're building it. I'll get more into detail what's happening with this block, but this block is coming out, and yeah, I'm kind of on a short time frame. It's getting late and it might rain pretty soon, so it's always raining, guys, when I'm trying to film. Anywho, RB26 is coming out. It has a crack on one of the cooling, on like 2 or 3 of the cooling jackets actually, guys. So
Fire needs the air, I won't burn unless you're there, you're there. Oh, I need you. Like the fire needs the air, I won't burn unless you're there, you're there.
So this is our first official mod, guys. It's gonna be a Tomei exhaust, even though it has no motor right now. But yeah, the old exhaust is just really old. It's funny, we bought the exhaust before we even had the car. The guy that sold us the car actually picked it up for us, which is really good. Pretty cool, man. So welcome our 1990 R32 GTR. Right now, currently it is a shell, but we will be rebuilding it. So yeah, I mean, it does need some paint work, guys. The fender is kind of messed up, to be honest with you. So fenders are going to be getting repainted. And as for the roof, same thing. It's going to be getting a paint job as well. The interior is all together for the most part. It does need some restoration on some panels, like the doors,
Yeah, we're gonna do it soon.
the seat's going to get reupholstered. It needs a new steering wheel, but I don't know. You want to show them that dash that we have right there?
It's got
So
the
that goes to
Haltech
show
dash.
what this car actually kind of has, guys. So as IC7 dash, Haltech Elite 2500.
Pop the hood.
There actually is no motor right now. I actually pulled the long block. I'll show you guys the clips right now. Me pulling the short block actually. Pulled the short block out, but it does have a custom harness that was made for this car. And long story short, whoever built this car before us didn't know what they were doing, and they kind of messed up that block. I'll go more into detail about that block when I get it back from the machine shop. But so far, I think we got a pretty good project on our hands. So stay tuned for all the updates that are going to be coming and all the future mods. Oh, here's actually a mod we actually did. I didn't even get to show you guys. We actually threw on a Tomei titanium exhaust. We got it secondhand on Marketplace and
$600, dude.
$600, and it's in great condition, and it's a Tomei Japan, so kind of a no-brainer. Alright guys, so I just got my block back from the machine shop. I already knew this block was no good. I was hoping my crank was actually in good condition, but that's also in bad condition, so I got a new block already, and I'm trying to find a new crank right now, an N1 crank. But check it out. As you can see, there's a crack on the water jacket where the head studs go to. And yeah, so whoever assembled this motor before me, you see I have another crack here. Alright guys, so pretty much the reason why this cracks happen, RBs are notorious for having weak cylinder walls, but besides that, obviously you had aftermarket ARP studs, head studs, so someone either over torqued it or they torqued it and it was super dirty inside the thread pitch. So I'm assuming it was probably dirty. I don't know if they like stud dropped this, what they had in the car. I don't know what they did, but they just did obviously a bad job. Bore seemed nice, but it's cracked. People think it's a blown head gasket when it's not. But yeah, we got a new block, and hopefully this doesn't happen again.